Welcome to Crypto 10 Digest. You know, in crypto, every day feels like a dramatic shift. And today, Ethereum's trading around $4,156, with intraday swings pushing it between about $3,889 and $4,188. Let's break down the top stories you absolutely need to hear. Let's break down the top stories you absolutely need to hear. First, Ethereum surged back to the $4,000 level, the first time since December, driven by institutional and whale activity. Second, XRP futures volume jumped 200% right after Ripple's lawsuit wrapped up. Third, more than $400 million in liquidations in 24 hours, wiping out traders on both sides. Fourth, Coinbase launched a new DEX feature on Base for US users, a major DeFi adoption move. Fifth, the Fear and Greed Index is back to greed, with Bitcoin eyeing a $125,000 mark. What does it all mean? The market's buzzing, big momentum, high opportunity, but keep your guard up, because volatility's real. You know, in crypto, there are days that feel like a slow crawl, and then there are days like this. Today, Ethereum just blew past $4,000. Yeah, you heard that right, first time since December last year. And here's the crazy part, Bitcoin's been kind of flat, but that sent the ETH to BTC ratio climbing to near its highest level of the entire year. In the past 24 hours, Ethereum's up about 6.5%, and year to date, we're talking roughly 56% gains. Yeah, that's not just a bounce, that's real momentum building right there. Why? Well, we've got interest rate cuts right around the corner, big institutions showing up, and even treasury companies, yeah, they're adding ETH to their balance sheets. And when those forces line up, the market listens. This feels like one of those turning points. So, eyes on Ethereum, my friends, because this isn't just a price breakout, it's a shift in market sentiment that could set the tone for the months ahead. You know, crypto moves fast. And here's a moment you'll want to hear. XRP just surged over 10%, bang, right after it beat the SEC in court. Yes, the Ripple SEC case is officially over. Futures volume? It exploded over 200% in just 24 hours, hitting around $12.4 billion, even overtaking Solana. On-chain data shows open interest climbed about 15%, and traders? They're almost all long, betting on more upside. Technically, it broke out of a bull flag pattern, usually a strong sign of momentum to come. Now analysts are eyeing a $4.50 target by September or October. But heads up, with so much long exposure, over-leveraged traders could get squeezed if things pull back. Still, this surge isn't just a blip, it might rewrite XRP's trajectory for the next few months. Alright, so, crypto, yeah? It's always a crazy ride, but today? Man, it's total chaos out there. Ethereum? Boom, it just blasted past $4,000, like, out of nowhere. And the market? It's straight up on fire. In just the last 24 hours, over $400 million got liquidated, wiped off the books. That's, about 115,000 traders, gone. Mostly shorts getting crushed. The whole crypto market cap? Nearly $4 trillion now. The bears? They're stunned, totally caught off guard. The bulls? Oh, they're charging full speed ahead, no brakes. This? It's not just another rally. No way, it's a statement. So, what's next? Stick around, 'cause this ride? It's far from over. Okay, so here's the deal. Coinbase is launching this new decentralized exchange feature, but, it's only for US users for now. What's really cool is you can swap Base native tokens instantly and still get all the security and perks of a big centralized exchange. It's kinda like having the best of both worlds, you know? This could totally shake things up, faster trades, way less hassle, maybe even cheaper fees. Plus, it might push other big exchanges to step up their game or risk losing users. For Coinbase, it's a smart move to stay ahead and keep users hooked with this hybrid setup. Honestly, this could be a real game changer for how DeFi grows in the US market. So yeah, keep an eye on this, it might be huge. Meanwhile, XRP's been on fire, jumping 12% and pushing the whole crypto market cap to a massive $3.76 trillion. And get this, IVD Medical just dropped 19 million into Ethereum. That's a big sign that major companies are starting to take crypto seriously. But, of course, not everything's smooth. Bitcoin dipped below 116,000, which caught a lot of attention. Plus, the fear and greed index shot up to 67, meaning folks are getting greedy again. So yeah, things are heating up fast. Stay sharp, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next update here on Crypto 10 Digest. So, what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your take on it.